So whenever I am talking about the switch, here the one thing comes in a mind. At your home or either in the torch, you have seen the one metal like structures in middle of the torch, which you are moving up, then bulb will glow. When you are just down, then bulb will off. So this is the mainly reasons that was the so many different things you can on and off by the help of switch. Fine. Students, one more thing. It is a simple device. Whenever we talk about the switch, switch is a simple device which is used to break the circuit. So the base of the bulb away from the tip, this was a simple switch but not a very easy to use. So you cannot do the other activity. Here the activity 4 also you will do. So for the switch all of you have to do the activity 4, and in this activity what you will do? You can make a switch. Here the aim of your practical is the objective. M is to make a switch using two drawing pin, a safety pin or a paper, two wires and a small sheet of thermocol or the wooden board. So that you are having that one lab manual. So you will write that required material. So in the required material, what you required? Two drawing pins. Second, a safety pin or a paper clip, two wires and a small thermocol. These are the materials which you are using. So this is the required material. You will write in your lab manual whatever the activity you are doing. Fine. Okay. So this is the aim and this is the required material. Two drawing pin, a safety pin or a paper clip or two wires and a small sheet of the thermocol or the wooden board. So what you are doing, students, here you are just going to do that. What you are doing? Insert a drawing pin into the ring at one end of the safety pin and fixed it on the thermocol. Okay. So this is the method. The first method is what? Take a drawing pin into the ring at one end of the safety pin and fix it on the thermocol sheet. See how. This is thermocol sheet. You have taken this safety pin and you have just pressed with this big cap like pin and you have fixed that safety pin on the thermocol sheet. Okay. Second point which is very much important, make sure that a safety pin can be rotate easily. So rotating freely of your safety pin, you must knowing what you are doing. You are making a switch using the two drawing pins. Okay. So make sure that the safety pins can be rotate freely. Fine. After that, fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol sheet in a way that free end of the safety pin can be torched. So now third point, fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. So in this you see this safety pin can be touched this point. Okay. So this will become a switch. So pin fixed on this way, you will switch in this activity. So the safety pin fixed in this way would be your switch. So this is the activity. If you are just passing the electric current and then it is connected, then only the bulb will glow, and do this arrangement accordingly. Now make a circuit by connecting electric side and bulb with their switch as we have used. Right. So tomorrow you will show me that. So this is the switch. I have made this. Okay. And rotate the safety pin so that it freely in touch the other drawing pin. And then you write, rotate the safety pin so that it is going to be touch, then free end, what happens with drawing pin. So student, this is the complete activity. I hope that you will do. So take a drawing and this thing happens. You have seen that how it is happening. I hope it is clear. So any question, anyone? Yes, Shreya Rai.
My question is that you will be sending it that you have said that it will be written on lab manual.
Yeah, that you have to write in the lab manual. Below that, you will write your observation and then you will write your conclusion. What is the result came? So that's all. Thank you for today. Bye bye and good day.